A man who had trouble buying something online is now suing a Valley running store for $10,000. Sound fair? Well, you're about to hear a lot more about lawsuits just like that, and they could be putting some of your favorite local businesses out of business. Dave Biscobing exposes a new wave of disability lawsuits where finding someone to sue is about as simple as surfing the internet.
At Soul Sports Running Zone, selling running shoes in-store makes up just about all of Lance Mulzay's business.
We opened up in 2007.
10 years, never a complaint about disability access until he was hit with a lawsuit this year. But it's not for issues inside his shop, or at the building, or in the parking lot. It's for his website.
They ever contact you before they sued you?
Nope.
So the lawsuit was the first time you heard of this?
First time. I wasn't aware of this plaintiff.
So who's doing the suing? A blind Texas man named James Close and his Arizona attorney, Joseph Charles. And why is this Texan suing an Arizona running store? It's because they claim the store's website doesn't work properly with software that converts text to spoken words and therefore discriminates against him.
Demanding that we pay at least $10,000 and shut our website down until it can be corrected.
Close and Charles appear to be the first to test the waters with these online lawsuits in Arizona. They filed 5 so far, but top ADA defense attorney Lindsay Leavitt expects to see people file thousands more of these, and soon.
It's the next frontier of ADA litigation. Now they can stay at home and get on their computer and find unsuspecting defendants from the comfort of their home.
There's no firm, specific, exact laws on the books for websites and ADA compliance.
It costs a lot more to defend a case than it would be just to write a check and settle the case.
We also found another attorney and plaintiff filing online disability lawsuits. They are attorney Peter K. Stroynick and Teresa Brook. The two have previously sued hundreds of hotels in Arizona and California for not having pool lifts. Now they've just sued 7 more hotels, this time claiming their websites don't allow you to book a wheelchair-accessible room.
Could potentially sue every single hotel in the country who offers online reservations.
If attorney Peter Stroynick's name sounds familiar, that's because we've done dozens of reports about his dad, who has the same name. The elder Stroynick sued 1,700 businesses over handicap parking signs last year.
We don't talk to fake news. We don't talk to lying media.
His son, Peter K. Stroynick, also declined to comment, saying his lawsuits speak for themselves. And as for attorney Joe Charles, at first he didn't respond to requests for comment, and we found his door locked during business hours. But we did later reach him by phone.
Is this Mr. Charles?
He wouldn't agree to an interview, only telling me he's not going to file any more of these online cases and that he's still got one open lawsuit left. That lawsuit would be Lance Mulzay's, who's refusing to simply cut and run.
I think it would just open the floodgates to more lawsuits if we were to settle.
So you're fighting it?
That's our plan, to fight this.
Dave Biscobing, ABC 15, Arizona.